Hello everyone, I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to use reflexive pronouns and combine them with object pronouns. Let's begin with the key points. What is a reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronouns in daily life. Reflexive versus object pronouns. Practice examples. Real conversation example. Summary. What is a reflexive pronoun? A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject and the object are the same person. In other words, someone does something to himself or herself. Examples. I cut myself while cooking. She taught herself French. We made dinner ourselves. Let's say them together. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Reflexive pronouns in daily life. When a person does the action alone or to their own body, we use a reflexive pronoun. Sara looked at herself in the mirror. Tom fixed the bike himself. We cleaned the house ourselves. Reflexive versus object pronouns. Object pronouns help us talk about other people. Reflexive pronouns show someone is doing something on their own. Let's compare. I saw her at the mall. Object pronoun, someone else. She made the cake herself. Reflexive pronoun, the same person. We helped them with dinner. Object pronoun, someone else. They helped themselves to more food. Reflexive pronoun, the same person. I can get you a drink. Object pronoun, someone else. You can help yourself to a drink. Reflexive pronoun, the same person. Practice examples. Let's practice some sentences. Repeat after me. I made a sandwich for myself. My brother painted the room himself. We cleaned up after ourselves. I bought him a new shirt. We gave him a gift and they wrapped it themselves. You told me the story and then told it to yourself again. Real conversation example. See how Omar uses both object and reflexive pronouns in the next conversation.
Did you fix the chair?
Yes, I fixed it myself.
Wow, I thought you would ask Dad.
No, I wanted to do it myself, but he gave me the tools.
Summary. Let's review. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object are the same. I cut myself. They enjoy themselves. Object pronouns talk about other people. She called him. We invited them. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.